What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's about 1 in the afternoon. Kushwar, Wags and I are headed down to Breach Candy to meet once again Mr. Harshal Asnani, founder of H1N0 Influencer, the super cool streetwear brand based out of Bombay. We're shooting a part of an Instagram series for Main Street. Make sure to follow @Main Street TV to keep up with what's happening. And yeah, we've got an exciting day ahead.
I think you just summed it up, bro.
Yeah, we just summed it up. Mr. Asnani is getting ready in his own attire. What's up? What's up? Nah, it's not
Shat on camera.
Mid-shoot, bird shat on Wags and the camera.
Not me, bro, on the camera.
And now we're just stuck for a bit. Paparazzi project looking good right now. What do you think, Kushi?
You see the photos too, but this what I saw so far is pretty cool.
Pretty cool, yeah? I think it's pretty cool. Okay, we got back to KK's and had a little bit of lunch, and I'm about to smash KK in a game of pool yet again. Yes! So I'm just leaving KK's place to meet Addu. So Adnan and I run a different business, and we've got some work lined up for that. So that's where I'm headed right now. I don't know what's going on with my hair. Hello. What's up? Hi. How was lunch? Adnan is fasting, but they insisted that we order something to eat. I wasn't eating anything out of respect, but I got some garlic bread. Kind of thirsty now. Since I've eaten, might as well get something to drink also. Oh, not yet.
Someone
Oh.
sacrifice.
Hello? Yeah, I'm just leaving Banner, but it's still Arya's there. I'll go meet him. Take your time, don't worry. So right now at this cafe up in Versova, I dealt with like the worst traffic of my life, leaving from Adnan and getting up here. I hate Bombay so much. It's basically called Leaping Windows. It's like a comic book library and a cafe. It's pretty interesting. It's small and cute, like most places in Bombay. It's small and cute. And after this I'm heading back down for a work thing. It's been an interesting day. But this place has like comic art all over, so on the walls, everywhere. It's cute and small, and even the menu, for example, it's like a bunch of this comic art. Sacred Books of Food and Evil, Volume 1. So interesting. And my phone's like almost dead, so I can't do much on it because I needed to get home, and I have no interest in comics, so now I'm just sitting here doing nothing like normal people. Feels so weird. Oh my god, wow. So look at how the screen is all blurry. Not blurry, it's all fogged up, and that's because Bombay's summers are so bad. As soon as you step out of a cab, the contrast in temperatures is so much from the air conditioning inside a car and the heat and humidity outside that glasses fog up in such... It's ridiculous. But anyway, I just got back from Versova. I'm getting up to KK's place. I'm gonna get some dinner, man. I'm starving.
For Mavisha and you love some.
I think that's about it for today. We just played some pool. We had an interesting meeting with Bhavisha, the founder of Capsule again. I spoke about Capsule earlier. Make sure to check out the website up here. And they have some really cool, interesting, smaller streetwear brands which are all absolutely fantastic. Not that hype, but still such good quality stuff. Even KK loves it. KK, don't you?
Love it.
Love it. Okay, but yeah, Kushi and I are gonna probably crash soon. We have a long day tomorrow, interesting things to do. I'm just gonna see you tomorrow. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.